Test 1, 2. How about now? How about now? Test 1, 2, test 1, 2. Alrighty then. There we go. Got the microphones working here this morning. Happy Monday. We're going Mentorship Monday. And that means you've got questions, we've got answers. We're going to be talking about topics here today. If you've got questions, we'll take extra time to go over anything. Doesn't matter if you are brand new with us or been around a while, we will take the time to answer everything.
MRTY on the 2.
Speaking of, you're probably asking like, well, Vinny, why didn't you turn on full auto? Well, that's a great question. I have no answer for that because I definitely should have. All right, so here we go. Turning on full auto here for the first. Oh no, why is this on my sim account? No, wait, we're on contract rollover. Hold on. No, I'm not trading Sembro. Hold on. Switch to my account. Thank you. One moment. Get it across all. I need to save workspace. There we go. We ain't got no time for no sim today, my friends. All right, there we go. Let me save that workspace twice. So I did also
Speed of RT
post my workspace in the community workspaces section. If you did not check that out, if you wanted to get my workspace, go into the community workspaces section inside of Discord. Got that last week, but that also reminds me when I was shifting my workspace around, put that back here. It is contract rollover. We are on the December contract. Holy shnikes, we're already at the final quarter of the year. How exciting. So I will sit on hands here for the first 5 minutes, let the tools do the work. Oh, that's an interesting one. Little whippy action down. We just went strong buy here, so this is going to be interesting. Thank you, Eddie. Eddie just posted a link there in the Discord chat directly to that. Yes, make sure and smash that like button. You got to get to 50 likes there in that first 15 minutes. Good morning, Mr. Close. Hope you had a great weekend and all that hurricane stuff is settled out there for you. Okay, looks like a double cross the bottom of a zone. This is very slow for the first 5 minutes.
Fib.RTY.
Okay, we're breaking through a cipher as well. I'll go for that one. Target one almost right off the bat. Just a couple of seconds and instantly went to target there. I'm going to close the rest there because we went right back up to the top of a channel here, but this is the bottom of this zone. Got a double cross bottom of the zone. Then we started to hear the buyers step on through. Would have gotten target 2 as well, looks like. But 200 bucks there for the first trade. I'll take it. I like to turn the sound on. There we go. Something cathartic about hearing the coin drop. So that was a DCR play. Everybody type DCR in the chat if you don't know what that is. Ask your questions there today and we'll go through them. Double cross bottom of the zone, which means it's a DCR. Okay, coming back to the bottom of the zone on a straight leg. We went back to neutral. Remember, it is still the first 5 minutes of the open. Oh, I'm on the 2, so I was like, these look bigger than normal. Yep. Algobar 1s for me, please.
Speed of RTY 109.
Thank you very much. Okay, so looks like I missed some opportunities there. So there was also an Enigma down there, L3. I'm on L3 on ones here.
Speed of RTY 94. Double delta RTY on the 1.
Still got to make a few adjustments to the new layout here for OBS. All right, there's 9:35, so we are past that time, but I like these big long legs here, so I'm going to oh, I remember I was trying to make this brighter for something. I can't remember what.
Speed of RTY 161. Speed of RTY 161.
So if you're using our tools, you will get one of these bright yellow lines here, and that will tell you the whole next rollover, blah, blah, blah. So if you saw this on Friday, you should have had one of these that told you, hey, we're basically ready to do it. And you'll see where the contract rollover is. You'll have that on your highest time frame chart if you've got our default workspace. Well, it's on multiple workspaces, but if you're using one of our workspaces and you've got a tide chart. Okay, we are on sell side right now.
Speed of RT.
See how this plays out. Okay, that's a 3 wise man. I could take a short right here. I hesitated on it. Should have gotten in short right there. On a 3 wise man, I like to take the direction of the Mac VU. It kind of gave me another shot there. I should have gone ahead and pressed the button.
Enigma long on the RTY.
Oh boy, that is going to be a problem. That is behind a 3 wise man. That is going to be a difficult play. Potentially a loss right here, the way that that is tilted. It might pop up enough to get me a target 1, but I'm going to tighten this up here at the back of the Enigma. Yeah, stop out, no surprise. Yeah, that had a 3 wise men behind it, and we had shifted. So let's yeah, I'll up the quantity on the next one.
Enigma long on the RTY4.
Okay, we just got one on the 4s. I'm going to try for a re-hit here, and this is a moonshot. A little bit of a bigger stop coming in on that up on the 4s. You see it up top here, but don't like that we have shifted over for this, and could be a push down. We've still got 2 minutes for the 940 to 950 reversal time.
Speed of RTY 75. Double delta RTY on the 1.
There we go. Got ready up number 1. Would love to see a couple more there, but that could go pretty deep if we don't get multiple ready ups. On a big reversal, we want to see multiple ready ups.
Double delta RTY.
Okay, there's 2. That's good. Here's king timing on the 4s.
Divergence up RTY on the 31. Speed of RTY 94. Speed of RTY 94.
3 wise men on the strong sell side.
Double delta RTY.
There's the third ready up. See if it's going to save me or not, or if I'm going to take a pretty big loss off of the 4s.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
Multiple ready ups here. So I will be, if this one doesn't work out, I will be looking for another spot here. I'm going to draw a white line here to remind myself. Go ahead and kill this zone. We don't need it anymore as we've come out. Yeah, strong sell. We did just pop into a divergence here. We are at the 940 to 950 reversal time, so we could get a pop here, but I think I'm early. Early to the party.
Lower bands touch RTY on the
Stop
31.
out. Okay, so that's 2 losses in a row there.
Speed of RTY 59.
Multi-ready ups here. We are in the 940 to 950 reversal time. So I'm going to shift to big. There should be a bigger opportunity coming in here. I'm going to go to 5 big. Where is... there we go.
Speed of RTY 61.
So kicking myself for this one here. Saw the 3 wise men. It had shifted into red. Should have gone short. Felt like I was behind it. You should have hit it. That one came in a weird spot right there. It's marked that as just a straight loss there on that one. 3 wise men behind it. Pushed it down. Second 3 wise men for the push down again. And missed both of those opportunities. I'll be honest, I have not had my coffee yet there this morning. Tried to rush in here to get with you guys here this morning, and I need a coffee big time, so I'll be pausing here just a moment to go and get that. But some missed opportunities there. A little bit tired here from the weekend. Okay, liking the nice straight legs here.
Speed of RTY 62.
That should be getting everybody to look at it.
RTY on the 1.
There we go. That's low of day with that red line there. Some of that may not need much. Wow. Some of that may not mean much, being that it is contract rollover day on a Monday. Have I ever tried Moki Pot coffee? I have not.
Enigma long on the RTY1.
All right, so I'll give this one a shot here.
Lower bands touch RTY.
We are strong sell. It's a moonshot. We just came back up on moderate sell here. There is a target down below. That could be a problem. I'll put this right back behind the 18.4 if we do fall out. But another spot to potentially reiterate. We've got only one ready up here. I'd like to see multiples for a bigger move. I do think a bigger move is on its way. We're at 946. So 940 to 950 should be able to provide me with a fairly large potential. I'm going to go naked here real quick, and I will manually close out as we are at 940 to 950. Could be a big move coming. Tapped in on a diamond structure. We've got multi-diamond here as well. Very, very straight legs down there. There's another Enigma to reiterate. Good morning, Kevin.
Enigma long on the RTY1.
Multis.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 31.
Going to attempt to hold to an opposing signal now. That went straight through the Enigma target. There's Enigma target 2. Pull half there.
RTY 78. Speed of RTY
Right there at that ET was basically break even right there. Pulled half here. Now I can work the position.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 31.
There's king timing.
Speed of RTY 76.
Okay, pulling half of the half. I guess that would be a quarter position there. And letting the rest ride here. I will put on add stop here, and it looks like a good spot. Hold to the opposing signal.
Enigma long on the RTY1.
Add to position. Oh my goodness, what just happened? I do not think so. Closing out position. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Speed
That
of
was crazy.
RTY54.
Crazy talk. All right, so we are at, what's our time? 9:50. Need to check for news at 10 a.m. I don't see news. Let me refresh. Nope. 8:30 is the only thing I saw. Awesome, Kevin. Happy to hear it, sir. Okay, so we are at Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. We've got 2 wins within our 5, and now we're at bonus time.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
Beautiful double Enigma call on the bottom there. Okay, so now I am looking for my bonus trade. Has it only been 22 minutes? $860 in 22 minutes, 2,345. Hey, I like that. 2,345 per hour. Very nice. Thanks, Eddie.
Low impact news event PPI month over month. Low impact news event Italian trade balance. Low impact news event trade balance. Low impact news event manufacturing sales month over month. Medium impact news event Empire State Manufacturing Index. Speed of RTY 54. Enigma long on the RTY 1. Double delta RTY on the 1.
Good morning, Jason. So man, that was a Whiskers play right there. I'm sure Whiskers nailed that. He is the king of the 940 to 950 reversal. I just got to play in his world today. In my rush to get in here this morning, I think I forgot to press all the disclaimer stuff. Or maybe I did. I don't know. I need a coffee. I don't know about you guys.
RTY1.
Don't forget, trading is risky. All that business. Okay, so there would have been the opposing signal right there had I not botched the size ad earlier. there was the final run spot there. So that run from the entry to the opposing signal, 138 ticks, could not execute. I'm going to go kick myself for that. I'm going to go for real. I'm grabbing a coffee and I'm going to come back and we're going to do some Mentorship Monday. I will look for the perfect opportunity here right there before the actual coffee time at 10:10 for my bonus. But let me go grab that coffee because I am parched as well. It's hard for my, I can feel my mouth. I'm still cottony. Oh, I'm a bit tired. And, on yesterday was day 18 of a fast. Today would be day 19. So if I count today, 19, 20, 21, 3 more days of the 21-day fast. I'm gonna grab that coffee. Be right back.
Double delta RTY on the 1. Enigma long on the RTY1. Double delta RTY on the 4. DCDM RTY on the 1. DCDM RTY on the 1. Divergence down RTY on the 8th.
Alrighty then, we got a cup of Joe here with some honey in it. Are you still fasting? Yes. I am completing out a 21-day fast in 3 days. Well, midnight Wednesday of this week. Let's see. Enigma into DCDM. That's a favorite right there. Everybody know that one? If you do, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2. We'll go through it here. I'm just trying to mix this honey into my coffee. Not doing my usual hazelnut routine either. Having myself only put honey in the coffee. Which was gross until I discovered, we had a long discussion around honey. Was that Thursday or Friday of last week? Where I was discussing how, come to find out that all honeys are not the same. Like, for real. I found one called Fisher's. Now, whether or not, you know, it's the thing about honey. I was like, I mean, there's such a variety of flowers, and, you know, the odds of getting the same taste of batch has got to be unique. So I don't know if my batch of Fisher's would taste like yours. Does that make sense?
Speed of RTY51.
PLC Runner says, I'm not seeing as many enigmas as you. And then he says, what are your enigma settings? Somebody let him know, how can you see my enigma settings? They're literally right there in front of your eyes. But maybe you don't know. Maybe you didn't watch the update video. But I don't know. Let's teach everyone. How can he know? Macadamia honey. I've never even heard of that. Macadamia honey. Hold on, I'm going to search for that. Oh, and I just spilt my coffee on my keyboard. I broke my cardinal rule and put it near my oh, my word. Oh, is today going to be one of those? 1 second. Got to get a paper towel.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
Okay, well, I kind of been wanting a good excuse to put in a new K58, or I'm sorry, K55 or K57 keyboard. I think I just got my excuse, so I can lay out my new hotkey stickers, because I just dunked the bottom half of my keyboard in the coffee. I was just, you could tell I'm tired, like I'm oh, and I noticed my desk light fell off the back of my desk over the weekend. Let me grab that while I'm here. right. Oof. Oof. I just turned the light on now. Now I can see even more. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so it's going to be keyboard swap out time. Desk is going to get a nice scrub down at some point. Not right now, but I'm just going to get what I can right now. But yeah, it might be a desk deep clean. All right, so still looking for my bonus trade here. Let's see. It is 10:06, 4 minutes till the 10:10 coffee time. Good spot to potentially sit on hands. Let's go check in on our retail runs, aka Mike Schwartz and the Matt and Matt Retard Show. Let's go. Let's go check them out. Let's see. Some of the greatest rooms to trade against.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
What if I could show you how to turn?
So how many of you guys know the retail run strategy? If you know the retail run strategy, type a 1. If you are new to what retail run strategy is, type a 2.
RTY on the 1.
$770. Kind of like that liquidity hunt right before 700. Maybe front run that just a little bit on the NASDAQ. Has been a pretty good push off the lows though too, so we gotta be mindful of that as well.
Captain Price is over there still filling his entire chat. Oh, it's so funny.
Oh, nice. Hey, good job on that, OG. Good job. Good job. Good.
See what Mikey's got for a call today.
Above us, or are we going to come back down and try to fill this one out below us first? Which one do we hit first?
Yes, I think Noob has the idea. Whenever the retailers say, quote, "We're about to break these highs," I instantly press the sell button. It goes something like that, yes.
Yes, trying to move back up.
But remember the third part, I'll go ahead and pause him here. Actually, I shouldn't put him on pause because then I'll be behind. Let's turn off let's mute him here for a second. But the
Libya's crude exports for the week starting September 9th increased threefold to 550,000 barrels per day, according to shipping data.
So what we want is two retailers in agreement in a direction where it's like, oh, I feel like, and then fill in the blank, whatever that is. Like, oh, I think it's going to go down farther. Oh, yeah, I think we've still got more room to the upside, blah, blah, blah. You know, and you got multiples of them, but they need to commit. They can't just say, I think that. No, it's got to be like, I'm long or I'm short, meaning they're committing themselves to it, because this whole like, oh, well, maybe it'll go up, maybe it'll go down thing. And well, broken clock is right twice a day. You guys know the drill. But if they're going to commit to it, and you got two of them, then the third thing is we just need a setup in the opposing direction. But you can't just go straight against them. You are waiting for our setup in the opposite direction.
On the 1.
So, like, let's say that, oh, they're, calling a short right here. Okay, we're not getting long until we see an entry. So there's no entry here throughout this entire leg move, but you got to wait until we get a setup. So it has to be a third thing. It just gives you more confidence in the play against them, and you can go bigger size, in my opinion. So let's listen in there.
So I got six sim lots.
And sometimes it can read it in their chat. Let me post a link to
I am favoring
old Mikey's
hold up for
room link here. You guys can go check it out yourself. There it is.
At 700. Look, they're dirty. They pulled the liquidity at 700.
You still think that matters? Ha ha ha! It's funny.
I still think so. But they pulled that liquidity that they were building at 700. Little dirty dogs. Yes, they're trying to move back up.
If you'd have paid attention to my very first lesson, I tell you that none of that matters.
700. 57 hundo. Can we do it? Can we break it? Break it. All right, Dow's pulling back here a little bit. Dow's down. Dow's up. 270 was up a little bit more. 268. Keep in mind, we have some big gaps out there. I won't be surprised if we do fill some of the gaps, but that goes both ways. Dow gapped way up. NASDAQ gap way down. All right, so Dow has NASDAQ has a gap down. DIA gapped up.
The oncology live stream. That's right. You need an oncologist to read the cancer charts.
NVIDIA is trying though.
Of Bookmap,
Is it gonna
aka Crookmap.
That could be a problem. Could be a bit of a problem.
Enigma short on the RTY1.
Watch out.
All right, so we are currently neutral, and we just got a red Enigma, but we have been on buy side, so that one's going to be riskier. It's also only a 15 and not a level 20.
Going straight sideways not good for you.
Let's see. This is the beginning of a range, though, so let's make sure we draw that in here.
253.
DCDM RTY double delta RTY on the 1.
Art team, show them how it's done.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 loading. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Check on freeze. Order filled. Target filled.